The Jaguar has a weapon that could make all the difference when these rivals meet. Razor-sharp claws. Could the Jaguar strike fast enough and hard enough to score a hit on the snake? But there's some good news for the snake too. Like all big cats, the Jaguar is low on stamina. If the face-off with the Anaconda goes for more than one round, the Jaguar could end up on the ropes. So how did the Anaconda win in our scenario? The snake is on its home turf. It's been staking out this stretch of riverbank for weeks, waiting for the right moment to strike. The Jaguar senses danger, but can't see the Anaconda. A bird call distracts the big cat, and the snake makes its move. The heavy collision folds the cat right off its feet. The Jaguar rakes the Anaconda's body with his claws and sinks his teeth through its spine. That would be the end for most animals, but the snake can still move most of its body. The turning point. The Anaconda wants to call it off, but the Jaguar's a relentless hunter. He's determined to have that snake for dinner. The Anaconda's counterattack takes him by surprise, and by now he's too tired to resist. Cold, calculating, and immensely strong, the Anaconda retains its crown as king of the jungle.